Hello, welcome back everyone. This is the third install in the SVT-WRC ever so popular Rustoleum Rust Reformer video. 3 years ago, I decided to take my beat up 04 STI, really not too beat up though, just very rusted from the northeast winters that this thing encounters every single year. I love to take my STI out in the snow, especially deep snow, inclement weather. This is where these things come alive. These things are a weapon off-road and in the snow. So 3 years ago, I decided to take a chance on a very cheap solution that Rustoleum makes for a spray can aerosol rust reformer that takes red oxidation and turns it into a magnetite black finish. A lot of people in the YouTube comment section stated that you can paint over the rust reformer itself to seal it in. But I just did a rust reformer spray and left it to see how it worked in the first place. Just painting over rust I don't think is going to do too much, as it will creep through. And we can see here that I think that the most I got out of this was a slowed down reaction to the red oxidation, instead of a full covering of it and a full prevention of it. But as you can see, my car was haggard before, and it does not look too bad now, and this is after 3 years, with one little respray last year that I did to cover up some of the sections that I missed. Now I could go over and do another full respray here, which will probably seal in some things, but I would want to take a wire wheel to it and remove some of this surface rust to begin with, and then spray over it. With any paint, I think that the preparation of the surface is paramount in how well this thing's going to last and stick to the actual surface itself. Also recall that I only used one can. With some light spraying, I really didn't do too many surfaces that were really a heavy spray. If you did that and used multiple cans, you'd probably get a better result. If you're going to drive your Subaru in the winter, this is what's going to happen, especially in the northernmost parts of the United States where we see a lot of snow. Does the rust reformer work? I think it slows it down more than anything, and it's about your application, how much you put on, how well you prep the surface, how much rust there was to begin with, and how much you can get off with a wire wheel brush. So for an inexpensive way to get some of this rust removed, or just try and slow it down, this is probably going to be the easiest way you can do it. See you later, everyone. SVT-WRC. Hope you've enjoyed this 3-year review of the Rustoleum Rust Reformer. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.